Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at gold with the market open, we have seen that there was a very strong uptrend on the lower time frame. The price has reached a very important significant level of resistance, and from that zone we see that gold slowly rejecting to the downside. So let's see where we can find trading opportunity in this situation. First of all, I will be looking at higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now looking at monthly, we can see that previous month's gold has formed a long week candle. This is a huge long week candle, and followed by this month we have seen after initial pullback the market had a drop. Now this is almost at the end of the month. We can see that gold is still maintaining bearish market structure and at the same time maintaining this series of higher lows. So where we can see this monthly candle closing, will you be able to see that the market has broken this monthly low, or it is going up again to close above from the monthly? So let's answer this question from the lower time frame, looking at the weekly chart. If we look at the weekly chart on gold, we can see that today once the market opened without any creating any wick here, we saw that there was an initial bounce, and with that bounce the price has reached the previous weekly long week zone. So this is a very important resistance level, and as you can see the price slowly getting rejected from that level. What I think that we could see, the bears will try to break this weekly low, and then later we might see a bounce back up. So we can expect now the price slowly to come down to retest this weekly opening and closing. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can see that from the daily the trend is a bit more clearer. We have seen that this is the daily resistance where the price today has hit that level and slowly rejecting to the downside. And what I think that the sellers will try to drop that price to the downside further before it move to the upside or even breaking down further. So let's see the intraday time frame. From the lower time frame we can see that this is a very established level of resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and also tested as a resistance. And we see that primary rejection from this level, and at the same time this is the daily support. What I think that the price might range until NFP in between this support and resistance. So how we can find trading opportunity? What I think that this is the 15-minute chart. As we can see that this is a very significant level of support, had a huge bounce, and the market trend from this level will be waiting for gold to drop down to this level. As you can see, the market already has locally broken out of that structure, so we'll be waiting for strong liquidity grab from the top. If we see that gold has tested this neckline of this previous support and resistance along this zone, giving us potential confirmation for gold to drop to this support level, we will be looking for short with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.